Hello everyone, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and welcome to my course Configuring and Managing OneDrive for Business. I'm a Microsoft MVP in Office Apps and Services from Montreal, Canada. With over 180 million monthly active users on Office 365 and each Office 365 user having their own OneDrive for Business, it is one of the most popular services in the suite. In this course, we're going to learn how to configure and manage OneDrive for Business. Some of the major topics that we will cover include managing sharing and compliance in OneDrive for Business, managing OneDrive for Business storage, managing sync security, and monitoring and maintaining the OneDrive service. By the end of this course, you will know the different tools you have available to manage OneDrive for Business and how to use them to have full control of your OneDrive for Business environment. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of OneDrive for Business from an end-user point of view, as well as be familiar with PowerShell. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other Office 365 administration topics with courses such as Configuring and Managing SharePoint Online, Configuring and Managing Microsoft Teams and Office 365 groups, and Configuring and Managing Microsoft 365 workload integrations. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to manage OneDrive for Business with the Configuring and Managing OneDrive for Business course at Pluralsight.